In this video, I will show you how to turn off or disable startup app on your Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11 without any stress. Let me show you how. The next thing you want to do is to come down below right here when you have Start menu, right? Click on it. Make sure you click on Settings. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to Apps right here. Click on Apps. And you want to make sure you scroll down right here until you get to System App right here. Go ahead and click on that. Then here, every enable, and here, all apps is going to be listed right here. And most of the app right here, usually on, immediately you start to boost your PC, or immediately your PC is fully loaded up. They start to open one after the other. And as a result of that, they cause your PC to slow in boot, and at the same time, background running apps drain your battery without in a single click. What you need to do right here is to make sure you disable as many as possible startup right here. So for that, all you have to do is to make sure you click on here to turn off as many as possible right here, just like so. Turn off and turn off, and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how to use and set up your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.